Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn at my garden of pink coleus. When they're starting to get a little bit bushier from the pinch technique. This one's kind of leggy here, so I'm just gonna pinch it here and try to make it bushier. And this is our red purple wizard, purple coleus, and our other two coleuses over here that are doing really good. And our red chrysanthemums are also doing beautiful in our garden. This purple one is blooming and it's starting to get a little flower. It's pretty bushy, so I'm gonna leave it like that, and I think it's the most beautifulest one. God bless. I hope you all enjoy my garden. Love you guys out there. Hope you enjoy.